Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to go over my October Boxycharm by Ipsy. If you're not familiar, it's a subscription box I have been purchasing for a couple of years now. I get the standard $30 Boxycharm box. You get 5 full-sized items. I do appreciate that. 2 of them they pick for you based on your profile questions that you fill out, and the other 3 they give you choices. I am generally very pleased with the box that I get. It is almost always way worth the money. They have a drop shop where you can go and shop for other makeup that you may want that you are able to purchase at a discount. It's a lot of fun. So I do know what is in my box. I am going to go over all the products, apply them on my face, and then I'll let you know, was it worth it? The first product I've pulled out is this one from JennDBeauty. It is the UHD Brow Sculpt. Retails for $22. Comes with a little spoolie and flattening paddle. Got a little protector. And it is clear on the inside. It says here, your brows won't know what hit them thanks to this sculpting gel. It helps lift, tame, and sculpt every stubborn hair into place for beautifully shaped eyebrows that last all day long. Yes, please. I've not done anything to my brows. I will say I have a couple of things on. I went ahead and put my eyeshadow primer on and my corrector and concealer. That is all that I have on so far, and of course I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below. Some are affiliate links, so if you choose to shop with those links, I make a small commission, and I want to thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. I'm going to bend it because I think that'll make it easier for me to get into there, and it's feels very similar to the Brow Lift from e.l.f. And then I'm just going to I was looking at it online. It also said that it's good for flyaway hairs. And then you can use the flat side if you wanted to press them down. I usually use that just to maybe shape them. But you can see the difference. Very nice. We'll see how it dries down. I can definitely say immediate hold. Will it last? I'll have to keep you posted. Next, I have a palette from Eloise Beauty. This is the Goddess palette. Retails for $32. We've got a mirror, and then this is what the inside of the palette looks like. Some pretty warm tones, some pretty cool tones. This bottom one looks a bit green. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. The bottom row is Transcendent Beauty. Here is Opulent. Here is Luxurious Luster. Ooh. Here we have Majestic, Divine Aura, and Regal Radiance. I did that backwards. This is Majestic, Divine Aura, and Regal Radiance. Goddess Love, Empress Elegance, Heavenly Grace. Really lovely. I've seen Eloise Beauty on the drop shop before, and I've always been interested, so I cannot wait to see how this palette performs on my eyes. I'm going to take a rougher 15 and I'll go into Empress Elegance. Looks like a very nice crease shade. Now, I just realized there is no darker matte except for this blue. I guess that's where we're going. This is a rougher 14. I hope I don't get fallout. Just placing this on the outer corner. All right. It's not quite as pigmented as I was expecting, but it's still a beautiful diffused blue. Just going back in with that Empress Elegance, just to reinforce that shade just above the crease. Goddess Glow next. I'll put that right next to the blue. See if I can blend that in. I'm trying to avoid that blue shimmer to just because I want this to be a little bit of a warmer, wearable look. That is gorgeous, that Goddess Glow. So pretty. Now I'll go in with my pinky to this Divine Aura. The Divine Aura is definitely a little flakier than the Goddess Glow was. And I'll just take this Empress Elegance and put it on the bottom. All right, I added a little mascara and liner. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my Sephora Collection brow pencil to these brows and see how that Lith brow gel holds up. And it is doing a good job. And I'm sure you could use it after your brow pencil as well. I will continue playing with it. So far, so good. Let me feel the texture. Oh, they feel soft. Nice. The next product I'm a little worried about. They sent the Ciate London Dewy Skin Tint. Oily girls everywhere are going, oh no. I'm going to try it. It retails for $32. It is a glow-getting skin tint that will have you looking radiant all day long. There are different shades. They sent me 030. It's reformulated with rehydrating hyaluronic acid, moisture boosting yuzu extract, brightening dragon fruit extract, and vitamin C to help you look naturally glowing for up to 16 hours. We shall see. I already have my sunblock on. It's really beautiful gold packaging. I'm gonna shake it. It is sealed, and this is what it looks like. Let's just give it a go. Ooh, seems like a little bit goes a long way. I didn't feel like I got that much. Maybe a pearl size? Let's hope there's no eyeshadow on my fingers, just in case. I'm gonna use a brush. Let's not have blue eyeshadow on the face here. Just a little bit of a scent. It's not bad. Definitely glowy. I believe I did mention I do already have my concealer on. Coverage is actually pretty good. I can still see a little bit down here, but ooh, that glow. Dry skin are probably going to love this. I'm gonna try to set it with powder and see how it does. I went ahead and set with a little powder under my eyes and a more mattifying powder down my T-zone. I'm liking the way that it's looking so far. I also added a little bit of cream bronzer. I'm sorry if you can hear the people working on the grass outside. This is when I can film. So the next product was an add-on that I wanted to put on for you. I was so excited to see the opportunity to purchase the DANESSA MYRICKS Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder Flushed. I already have this in Rosé and Brunch, and I had the opportunity to pick it up in the shade Jubilee. This retails for $25 and I got it for $12. I know this formula, I enjoy this formula. It is a cream blush, but it dries down to a powdery, blurry, matte finish. It's got Upsolite in it, so it's really good if you have oily skin, and I wouldn't mind having all the colors. Just using my fluffy Morphe A22 brush, just sort of feathering it on. It is very pigmented, so you definitely want to be careful applying it. You can go overboard. It lasts all day. It is one of my favorite blush formulas. I love it. The last makeup product that I have to try on is this one from Kevin Aquam. It is his Unforgettable Lip Liner. They sent me the shade Minimal. This retails for $25. It's got a pencil on one end and a brush on the other. Let's see how it goes. Seems really nice. I'm going to swatch it on my hand and then we'll see how well it lasts. Now this DANESSA MYRICKS blush says it can be used on the cheeks and the lips, so I'll just do that. Nice. The last product I got in my box is from Hey Honey. This is their 911 Pro Gel. I believe they call it a serum. It says instant relief with propolis for life's many skin irritations. It's got bee propolis, green tea, witch hazel, and knotweed. Apply a generous layer to affected areas, allow gel to fully absorb, no need to rinse off, repeat as needed. This product was getting rave reviews. Good for acne, blemishes, mild burns, and other skin irritations. This is what it looks like. This might be good for the dryness that I get from the tretinoin that I've been using. It is surprisingly not sticky. I'm putting it on my cuticles that are always dry. I don't smell anything. I am excited. I'm going to keep this in my bathroom. Maybe I'll keep it in my purse. If any of you have ever heard of this, let me know. It seems like a little bit went a long way. I'm excited to play with this. I just added up all of the retail values of what I got in my box, and I got a total of $147. I paid $30. Did I get my money's worth? I believe so. I just realized I forgot bottom mascara. BRB. That is better. Looking over the items that I got, I like the eyeshadow palette. I think it's pretty. I will continue playing with it. Some of the shimmers I liked more than the others, but I will get into all of this and I'll keep you posted at the end of the month. The brow gel, so far so good. If you really dislike a sticky texture, you will like this because they feel very soft. They are still being held in place. I like that it came with the little spoolie. The Hey Honey 911, I am excited to play with this. I may use it on my face. I'm gonna put it all different places and I will keep you posted. The lip liner, I liked it. I liked the little brush that feathered it out. I like the shade. Let's see how long wearing it would be. Looks like it just wiped off. That's a little bit disappointing. The thing that I'm most concerned about is this product from Ciate. It's my only disappointment, Boxycharm. I am an oily skinned girl. Please don't send me dewy skin products. I'm fighting the dew. And of course, the DANESSA MYRICKS cream blush. Absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy that I was able to get that on an add-on, $25 for 12. I will love this blush for a very long time. And that is everything. I really enjoyed my box. Lots of fun just playing with new stuff, seeing what they choose for you. If you're interested in more information about the Boxycharm by Ipsy box, of course, I'll have it listed and linked in the description box below. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload videos on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up and, of course, leave me a comment. What did you think? Did you get different items in your Boxycharm box? Or just leave me a heart to let me know you were here. I thank you for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.